Welcome. If you've been looking for the easiest way to share a public list on the X app, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can quickly share any list you want with friends, followers, or your audience. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top corner for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, from the menu options, select Lists. This is where all your lists are stored and where you can explore any public lists you've created or follow. Now choose the public list you want to share. Simply tap on it to open it fully. You'll now be able to view the list's details, along with all the posts appearing within it. Once the list is open, look for the Share icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing outward. Tap that icon to bring up your sharing options. From the menu that pops up, select Post This. This will prepare your list as a post on your own timeline. Before publishing, you'll see a preview of how it will appear. If you're ready, just tap Post or Confirm to finalize it. And that's it. Your chosen public list is now shared, and your followers can view it right from your post. This is a great way to highlight curated content, showcase accounts that matter to you, or simply keep others updated with topics you care about. Sharing a list not only helps you organize your own content, but it also makes it easier for others to discover something valuable that you've already taken the time to put together. Whether you're highlighting creators, news sources, or interest groups, posting a list is one of the easiest ways to spread good content quickly. So now you know the updated method. Open the X app, tap the menu, head to Lists, pick the public one you want, and share it with just a few taps. It's simple, fast, and incredibly useful. Give it a try today and see how much easier it is to share ideas and collections with your community.